You will definitely like this app. This app is for those creative teachers that are looking for a way to create a very lovely background for their profile picture, or even maybe in the classroom you have students, you want to snap out the student picture and you want a very nice background at the back, and then you don't want to use canva, you don't want to stress yourself, maybe you don't want to pay for background remover and more. I have this application for you. You definitely like this app. So this app is called Profile Pics Maker. Is available also on PC, likewise over here. So what you need to do, just upload. So it's asking me to upload. So let me just click on any of my picture, or I can just go to my gallery, and from here, where are my photos, profile. Okay, so let me use this. So over here right now it's generating profile pics for me. So it's going to generate a lot of profile pics for me from just my one picture. I'm gonna like this. So let's scroll down. So the first one, this is what I like this. The second one, the yellow background. Next one, something like some of those photographers that used to come and take picture in our school. This, I know you like this. You are thinking about how to use it for your Facebook and more. Okay, but use it in the classroom. I want everything that we are going to be learning right now to be used in the classroom. Think about how you can, even for their birthday picture, you can snap their picture, bring it over here, look for lovely background to use, and definitely it can be nice. Sometimes if you are somebody that is very creative and you produce e-brochure for your students, look at this style. I love this style. So this time is bringing more creativity. You are producing e-brochure for your student by yourself, or you have IT guys that are doing it. Introduce them to this application also, so that they can bring in a lot of ideas on how they produce a lot of professional stuff for you. So they will generate thousands of pictures for you based on just one picture that you uploaded. I like this, and it's very easy to save. Just click on it and you save, download image, or you use this icon over here. The two icon means download. So give this a try. And also on PC, it is also very easy to use on PC. Just do the same thing. Click on what, upload, and let me use this one as I'm holding mic, and definitely everything is going to be straightforward, the same process. You will like this application, and I would like you to go and give it a try, like immediately. You can see my picture over here, and it's bringing almost the same thing, and I know you will thank me. Can I say thank you for introducing you to this app? Yes, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be right back with more videos. Thank you. Bye.